Hey, welcome back to Being Integrated. I'm Jude. Today's video is about the trap of progress in meditation. The reason I decided to make this video is because I had more than one client lately who fell into this trap. So the basic idea is things are going good in meditation or in mindfulness practice or really just in life in general. That things start working for us and we start feeling better. And then we feel good, we get excited, we have these little breakthroughs. And then inevitably, we start to lose them. And when we start to lose the good feeling, we start to kind of get down on ourselves. We start to look at, what am I doing wrong? How can I get back to where I was? And I think I was first introduced to this idea around this type of trap by my good friends Jeff Warren and Avi Craimer, who co-authored an article together, which I'll link down below if you want to get more into this idea and see their take on it. But the core idea is that we love feeling good. And when we get a breakthrough, when things start working for us, it makes us feel good. And that kind of compounds and inspires us to do more. So we get fixated on the breakthroughs, on the times that feel good. But the reality is that progress doesn't really come from the breakthroughs. It comes from all the hard work that lead up to the breakthroughs. And it's going to be really unlikely, especially in the earlier stages of your meditation journey, to get into that space and stay there all the time, that really expansive feel-good state. And that's actually not what meditation is about anyways. It's not about feeling good or getting into that state. It's about being okay with how things are, regardless if you feel good or don't. It's about being okay with not being okay. So people get into that good state where they feel really good, things are really working, they feel at ease, they feel connected. And that is the result of this workup, where you put in all this work, you worked on the skills, the concentration, clarity, equanimity, and you've gotten to this place where things just open. But then inevitably, after the expansion, there's a contraction. Things start to close back up, and life gets hard again. And then when you come back to the meditation practice, you keep trying to get back to that good place you were at. But this is where the real work is to be done. How open and okay can you be with this place of challenge and discomfort? That's where you make the real progress. You can't live in these peak states where everything feels good all the time. The practice is about letting go of attachment to feeling good, letting go of attachment to getting to those states, and being more and more okay with however you feel in the moment. So while you're putting in all the work and you're making the progress, of course that's going to motivate you, it's going to feel good, but then there's going to be a crash. And that's where the real practice is. It's, can you be open and accepting and at ease? Can you calmly abide in the times when things are not going well, when you're not feeling good? And that is the time that your practice and even your life is actually going to transform. Because meditation, again, is not about feeling good. It's not about getting to these states where everything is great. It's about being more and more okay with the challenges in life. One of the ways you could measure your progress in meditation is not about how focused you can get, but instead, how okay can you be when things are not going great in meditation practice and in life, because that's the real payoff. So when things aren't going great and you're not feeling good, look at that as a real opportunity to practice. These are the times that are most ripe to make real progress. What's it like to meditate when you're not feeling good? Can you meet your experience, regardless of whether it's comfortable or not, with an open heart? Welcoming it fully and completely. That's what we're going for here. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like this type of content, you can like, subscribe, sign up for my newsletter, all those types of things. And thank you so much for tuning in.